question.
Hi, this is Dr. Robert Davis with Active Health Neuropathy Solutions, and I am here with Joe, and Joe was kind enough to come on with us to tell us about his experience in the office. So Joe, if you could just tell us a little bit about why you looked for our office, the problems you were having. You found our office, you came in, we did an exam, and a little bit about the treatments and protocols and just your experience, how things have improved for you.
Absolutely. When I first came in, I want to thank the great staff Dr. Davis had. Unbelievable, very comfortable feel in here, no pressure at all. They make you feel really good. The direction they gave me was good. Just as long as you follow it, you'll get results. I was very skeptical. I was just figuring this is a nut I've been doing for years, trying to find a solution to my neuropathy. Boy, it was horrible. Needles, pins, burning sensation, the worst ever. I just gave up and just kept trying. This was probably my last resort here. Well, I came here and the results, I thought in the beginning, they'd be faster. Well, it was fast, but they wanted it overnight, which no. And in a couple of weeks, all of a sudden, then the change started. Boy, the burning stopped, and needles and pins stopped. Now just a little numbness I have, but the direction it's going, never have I ever been feeling so good. Energy levels are up. You just get a great feel from when you start to heal with anything you have, especially after having 7 years of this I've had. And it's just tremendous what Dr. Davis has done for me.
Oh, that's fantastic. So could you tell us a little bit about, we have a therapy that we use called the total brain and body oxygen. What's your experience with that? Because you got to put the mask on, we have you do some exercise, and then it allows your body to start saturating itself with oxygen. So what was your experience on that machine?
Once again, the same. I didn't know what it was doing, but I guess eventually it was going great. The results I'm seeing on the graph in there, and I was getting to 100%. I'm finding out what it's doing, how they worked with me to help me get it there. I had a little bit of a challenge getting 98, 99%. Just today was just a threshold where I broke into that 100%, and that's going to also enhance and get rid of that neuropathy for me.
Well, I'm so glad it worked out.
Oh, you can't be more happy than I am. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
A million.